You get ice cream, so banana.
Iwunu
Ice
ya
cream,
kule
so
owe. Iwunu ya kule owe. Iwunu wa stream mi gonna need to wear it tell gbe wo le ba believe in sha ko
Oh,
ba la o.
grab your ice cream now. No. You go say that the now. 101 years in my way. You
O
know
sa lo
what
ba
funny
ku o
village
ma
they
believe
married
sa lo
in the
ba
night,
ya e
better
wata.
a marriage in the never take out you to near day. No, it will never work. I
My
see
lady
you.
Becky Good, where's CJ? Egbe
Thank
wa
you,
wo.
my
So we
lady.
Send me
say
ya
ni
we
ni wa
prank
ye.
you. Egbe
Sa lo
wo,
ba
send
la
me ya
gbe
we
wa
prank
wo. Last month
Thank
man ya we
you.
marriage. Last month abi get ni ya we Nigeria yi. Oh.
where's say my lady Good?
A family here they happy now. Oh, you prank your game matter,
It's
but they
not
will
good
not be
now.
happy.
It's not good.
Me
A
na
family
me
No.
here they
taban we.
happy.
Thank
O
you,
se
my
me na
lady.
taban we dey. O ma do bokan we prank you. Future o ma ya we prank ya. When it make sense to you, if na your mama, you go agree say your mama go agree like that.
So
My
women they do
sister,
that
not be
one.
so.
Women they do
Even if
am.
some people they do and let her bring the proof. Say he call Lige, they mean Nijita. So you don't just conclude issues like that. We have mothers, we have brothers, we have sisters, we have siblings. It can happen to anybody. Make God not let our sister marry bad husband. Make God not let our brother marry bad wife. Another person come they analyze am like this. You go like her. Na yam wey no good. Na dey show himself for mortar. I rest my case.
Be another person talk.
Mercy. For me, small for this matter. For me, for this matter, I no go side only one person. I wan just talk for the both side because marriage of a teen na small dey talk put because you get where you talk put now na you go carry the later don settle.
It make sense to you. If na your mama, you go agree say your mama go agree like that.
So
My
women they do
sister,
that
not be
one.
so.
Women they do
Even if
am.
some people they do and let her bring the proof. Say he call Lige, they mean Nijita. So you don't just conclude issues like that. We have mothers, we have brothers, we have sisters, we have siblings. It can happen to anybody. Make God not let our sister marry bad husband. Make God not let our brother marry bad wife. Another person come they analyze am like this. You go like her. Na yam wey no good. Na dey show himself for mortar. I rest my case.
Be another person talk.
Mercy. For me, small for this matter. For me, for this matter, I no go side only one person. I wan just talk for the both side because marriage of a teen na small dey talk put because you get where you talk put now na you go carry the later don settle.
The matter not even serious.
Make I have to down being
But
after the
some of
check.
our women, they disappointed in them, no understand.
I'm
The man
telling
they
you.
beat you since then, you get belle, the man kick you for belle, you still agree make the man go do your marriage. Inya ye marriage
No,
yati
no,
ebonuwa.
marriage sef na do or die. I no even understand.
They use marriage they swear for una.
No
Eh? See one don't
understand.
go kill the wife for France, they never know say the woman don't die tete. Man beat you once, you need born man kick you for belle, you still agree. This marriage no be do on that affair na beg.
No
Eh?
be Franco, no be Franco.
They
Which
say na
one be
prank.
prank?
Oh.
No, no be
Which
Na
one?
Franco.
lie. Make you
Because
come
me,
back
I just say I
but
dey
when
go
mother
for
out dog by, now they go know say not be prank. Na lie.
Hey.
No be
Not be
Franco.
prank.
The
The
But
man
that
can
one
say
wey
make
show
they
the
laugh
life for
you as a
Bagan,
single
na
mother
prank.
than say if they come cry you say you die for marriage.
Not
Yeah,
be prank. Oh, na
yeah,
lie.
this marriage so not be I don't know whether na titled
if you
name.
know they work, you know they work. If
You
you
know
know they
the
work,
my
you know they work.
sister.
If
The way you take
no
see
me
and
and you
your
no
point
for
of
quarrel
view.
now. This thing no reach me
my
and you
love,
come
no,
dey
no,
quarrel.
come make the matter be
No
quarrel
vex.
for our own.
No
We
gree
not me
man.
and you
We
not see
no need to
quarrel, my
use words
sister.
of insult, my sister.
Yeah, na maybe
Sister
I do
Sharon, you no
quarrel
need to
na
use
sister.
words
Maybe I
of
do the
insult.
best. I don't vex.
No, I no dey vex. I just tell me I tell you. Me and you no fit vex for this thing.
Na just word of encouragement. You no need to blame anybody. Because if na me, for example, say na me dey in the condition of that woman, I go even pass that woman, which likewise any one of us on top of this room. So I beg, if any encouragement wey we fit give the woman, maybe she fit still dey hear, or person wey no wan fit hear am fit still go turn am. Abeg, more still judge with caution because of tomorrow. May if you no come back to us, may you no come back to our children. Na beg I dey beg.
Oh, no, go green me.
Because me, I don't pass this kind of experience. Her own self they good. Say the husband, the record she know. My own, when my own they happen, now last 3 years ago, I marry. I do everything for my woman. But among the less, if me and my woman they quarrel, I don't know, say me and her, she go they record me private. Maybe say me, I don't know. So tell her when she want come out, she want go eat a grow for another country.
The matter not even serious.
Let me carry after down being
But some of our women, sha, they disappointed in them, sha, no understand. The man they beat you since then, you get belle, the man kick you for belle, you still agree make the man go do your marriage. Inya ye marriage
No,
yati
marriage
ebonuwa.
self na do or die. I don't even understand.
They use marriage they swear for now. Eh?
Understand.
See one don't go kill the wife for France, they never know say the woman don't die, tete. Man beat you once, you need one man kick you for belle, you still agree. This marriage no be do on that affair now.
Franco.
No be Franco, no be Franco.
Which one is Franco?
No, no be
Not
Franco.
lie.
Because me, I just say I
But
did
when mother out up by, now they go no say not be prank. Not lie.
No be Franco.
Not be prank.
They don't
don't
say make
want
they
to
laugh
for
you
bad
as a
man.
single mother than say if they come cry you say you die for marriage.
Not be prank.
Yeah,
Not
yeah,
lie.
this marriage so not be I don't know whether na titled
If
name.
you know they work, you know they work. If you know they work,
My
you know they work.
sister.
If be polite, both comment section. Who write anyhow for comment section or mute in comment? I be moderator for here. Register where they collect salary. I beg. Mami o ti lọ bẹ̀rù there.
Thank you so much.
God just please, so let's be polite with our comments, please. Be polite, both comment section. Who write anyhow for comment section or mute in comment? I be moderator for here. Register where they collect salary. I beg. Mami o ti lọ bẹ̀rù there.
Thank you so much.
God just please, so let's be polite with our comments, please.
I'm not the homeless, so I'm not seeing my address I did. The reason why I left the house, I don't want me to come to do work because when she run her mouth things, you know do but when nobody call me, oh God, why nobody call? Why you call you there? When she did TikTok, why I not call her? Okay. Enogie, be calm me down. You are a man. You are a man. You are a man. Man, not get feelings. Ah.
Wow.
I don't lie. She shot me. I slap her. I don't lie. Yes. Because I don't wear me down, you be down, girl. You can't tell someone a man you are married to that is doing nonsense. Even people don't quarrel with several say, if these children do bad, I like their papa quarrel.
You ice cream so banana.
Iwunu ya kule owe. Iwunu ya kule owe. Iwunu wa stream mi. Mi ga le to were re tele gbe wo le ba believe in sha ko lo ba la o.
Grab your ice cream now. No. Even say that now. 101 years in my way.
Salo ba ku o ma believe salo ba gya e wa ta.
A marriage in never take out you to me and day. No, it will never work.
Melody Becky good, West AJ.
Last month when I were marriage, last month I be get any away in Nigeria. Oh,
West say my lady good.
a family here they happy now. Oh, you prank your game matter, but they will not be happy.
They're not good.
A family here they happy.
Also, me not taban we dey. O ma do bokan we prank. Future o ma ya we prank ya.
I'm not the homeless, so I'm not seeing my address I did. The reason why I left the house, I don't want me to come to do work because when she run her mouth things, you know do but when nobody call me, oh God, why nobody call? Why you call you there? When she did TikTok, why I not call her? Okay. Enogie, be calm me down. You are a man. You are a man. You are a man. Man, not get feelings. Ah.
Wow.
I don't lie. She shot me. I slap her. I don't lie. Yes. Because and don't when me down, you be down girl. You can't
Mommy,
tell
oh,
someone a
be.
man you are married to that is doing nonsense. Even people don't correct and severally say, if these children do bad, I let their papa correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, Muslim consagami. Forget Muslim matter jare. My mental health matters a lot.
Only must want a guy in there.
You know, Muslim sagami.
Only my live video next.
Therefore, Muslim not to sagami. I can't bear that. As woman get stressed, as woman get stressed. Even know that I'm a strong person. Me myself, I don't get depressed. A woman that loves you will not bring you down for a friend. To start with, a woman that loves you, you get where correct on the reach before person say you want call police. Few days ago, I wake up in the morning. Everywhere was dirty. I sweep. All the unpicked something for ground. Now I remove her come up from here and say, will you live there? Because if
Yeah.
you Muslim consagami, forget Muslim matter jare. My mental health matters a lot.
Only must want a guy in there.
You know, Muslim sagami.
Only my live video next.
Therefore, Muslim not to sagami. I can't bear that. As woman get stressed, as woman get stressed. You know that I'm a strong person. Me myself, I don't get depressed. A woman that loves you will not bring you down for a friend. To start with, a woman that loves you, you get where correct on the reach before person say you want call police. Few days ago, I wake up in the morning. Everywhere was dirty. I sweep. All the unpicked something for ground. Now I remove her come up from here and say, will you live there? Because if